DJI Power 2000, real results. 3,000 watt that runs my entire van silently. Last month, the power cut out at 2 a.m. during a storm. My fridge started its death rattle, and I'm standing in the dark holding a flashlight like a caveman. Grabbed the DJI Power 2000 I'd been saving for emergencies, plugged the fridge in, and went back to bed. Woke up to cold milk and zero panic. Type "been there" if you've ever had a blackout ruin your week. That gut-twisting moment when the lights flicker and you realize you're completely helpless, phone's dying, food spoiling, kids freaking out, is brutal. You swear you'll get a generator one day, but then you picture the noise, the fumes, the hassle. What if you could actually stay calm and in control next time without dragging a loud, stinky box into your life? Keep watching, this gets fun. Here's what happened the first time I really pushed the DJI Power 2000. I'm on a 3-day van trip with 4 adults, running a rooftop AC, induction cooktop, Starlink, and charging 2 Mavic 3 batteries at once. 0 hiccups. The 3,000 watt stable output didn't even flinch. 55 minutes at a campsite charger took it from 20% to 80% while we ate lunch. One drone pilot I was shooting with almost missed golden hour because his batteries were dead. He plugged into the SDC port and was airborne again in 28 minutes flat. The fan stayed at whisper 30 dB all night. I actually slept better in the van than at home. It felt like someone handed me cheat codes for off-grid life. Everyone's saying the same thing right now. A well-known van life creator told me it's the first power station he's used where he forgot it was even on. Torque Test Channel confirmed it holds 3,000 watts rock solid without voltage drop. An overlanding couple I met ran their Dometic fridge and a 1,200 watt microwave simultaneously for 4 days straight and still had 18% left. My own unit has survived rain, dust, and being tossed in the back of a pickup. No babying required. People always say, yeah, but it's heavy. Then they lift it once and realize it's lighter than every other 2 kilowatt-hour station they've owned because DJI actually engineered it instead of just stuffing cells in a box. That's exactly why thousands of creators and off-gridders can't stop talking about the DJI Power 2000 right now. Which part would save your sanity first? 55-minute recharge or dead silent nights? So imagine the next blackout, storm, or camping trip, and you just smile because your fridge stays cold, your coffee stays hot, your drone stays charged, and you're sleeping like a baby while everyone else is stressing. Join the creators, pilots, and RV owners already living this reality every day with the DJI Power 2000. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Full disclosure. Click it, check it out for yourself. No pressure, just an invitation to level up your power game. See you in the comments when you experience that first silent, stress-free night.